Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara and I currently live in the Dominican Republic. Today I'm sharing a quick story that I thought was funny. Looking back on it in the moment, it was very frustrating, but looking back, it is honestly kind of funny and it just illustrates why I bring everything with me when I come here. I might have mentioned this before, but essentially when I come to the Dominican Republic, I just bring everything that I think I might need. All of the hair supplies, all of the different makeup products I might need, all of the clothes I'm going to need to wear, anything I can think of and anything I can fit in my suitcase, I'm going to bring it. The only thing I buy here is soap to wash my body, soap to wash my hands, and deodorant. And that's really all that I buy here. Everything else, sunscreen, hair products, floss, toothpaste, toothbrushes, I bring it all with me because there's just so many things that at this point in my life, I've realized what works for me. I know where to get those things in the US and I don't know if they're going to be available here. I don't feel like trying to find a new brand, and so I bring them with me. Some might think this is a little bit overkill, but I know I'm not alone. I'm not the only one who does this, and I was even told to do this. I'm not sure if it was before I went to Honduras, but definitely before I came here. The lady who I was talking to at the school, she was like, yeah, just bring everything you need with you. And I found that to be pretty good advice because, like I've said, I found what works for me. I don't know if I can find it here because they might have some brands. They have Dove, they have some Pantene products, some Head and Shoulders, but the variety is nowhere close to what you will find in the US. So if you need something that's very specific, I would suggest bringing it. Now, let's get to my story of why I just bring everything here. One thing before I moved to Honduras that I asked if I should bring was hangers, and they said no, there are some hangers. That worked fine there because I barely had a closet. I could only hang maybe 10 things at a time. The rest I just kept in my suitcases on the floor, so that was fun. But the hangers were just normal hangers, whatever. And I came here, I didn't bring hangers. I think I might have brought two. They have the clips to hold the pants, and then they have the top part that's normal. They're nice hangers. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm kind of particular about my hangers. But the rest that I have here, there was enough, thankfully. I had enough space in my drawers and my closet. Mostly there's enough space and enough hangers. What happened was this year, there's now 3 people in the apartment instead of 2. So last year, I will admit, I borrowed some of the hangers from the 3rd room. So what happened is I had to give some of those back, and I just had all these clothes left over that I couldn't really find a space for, that I wanted to hang up but didn't have hangers for. And I've been looking for hangers, but I like a specific kind of hanger. I've been looking for the ones that are the wire on top. You can twist the top part, and then the bottom part has that thin velvety covering over it. That's the kind of hanger I like. And I've been looking for that here, but all I've seen is these cheap plastic ones that I already have. I'm not really interested in those. I've seen some of the normal just wire hangers. I think I might have to just settle for those. But the ones I've been looking for, I only saw one time. This was after visiting various stores, going to stores that had a lot of random things, and I found them finally. They had packs of 4 of these hangers with the wire top that moves, and then the bottom covered in the velvety stuff so your clothes don't fall off. And I was like, great, I'm gonna buy like 5 packs of these. I got 5 packs, went to the cash register. We were waiting in line. Lines take so long here. And of course we got stuck behind someone who had some problem, but then we were the ones with the problem. We get there, the hangers, I couldn't find a price on them. And then even when we scanned them on the machine that's supposed to tell you the price, it said item not found. That should have been the first red flag. But we took them to the cash register hoping they would just do their thing and figure out the price, you know. We took them there. I got a pack of cookies or something. Nothing else really. I was there because I wanted these hangers. I didn't know if I would be able to find them. This was in Plaza Lama. It was in the Duarte area. We found these hangers and I went to check them out. They rang them up. Of course, it gave them the same result that it gave us, that they couldn't find the price. They tried typing in the number. That didn't work either. They called a manager, and now we were the ones with the problem that the other people had to wait for. But they were scanning the other people through anyways. They get the manager goes and looks at them and goes to talk to somebody else, and basically he came back and he told us these aren't for sale. They were just sort of part of an offer where if you buy something from this brand, you get this pack of hangers with it. I was like, seriously? All this time looking for these stupid hangers, the specific kind that I wanted, and that's what they tell me? I think I'm gonna just give up and order them on Amazon because, I mean, maybe I can settle for the wire ones. But even at Jumbo, almost all of them are just plastic. This cheap plastic that has rough edges and I'm scared it's gonna rip my clothes. All that time looking for those hangers and they said, no, they're part of an offer. They're not for sale. I mean, I guess that would explain why they were at the top shelf, but it just felt so defeating. I finally found the hangers I wanted and oh, they're not for sale? Great. Anyways, in the moment, I was very frustrated after waiting in line. After looking at all these places for the hangers, I thought I had finally found them. I got a whole bunch of them, and then, oh, these aren't for sale, and they just took them from us. So I bought my cookies and ate them and left. That is the tale of the hanger mishap that I have had trying to find hangers here. I've not had good luck, but I think I have maybe one place in mind left to look. Then I'm just gonna give up, just get some wire ones, or if I'm really feeling picky, maybe order them on Amazon, but it's a lot. There's some hangers. That is my story of the hangers, and that is why I bring everything here. Because even a simple kind of hangers that I could probably find anywhere, Walmart, Target, wherever in the US, I could not find here so far. We'll see if I find anything. That's why I bring everything here, because you just don't know what you're gonna find. And there's not that much variety. Things are different brands than you might be used to in the US. So that is why I bring everything with me when I come here to stay for long periods of time. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.